They gon' love me for my ambition.
Let's set the tone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vishmite. So today I'm going to be talking about a small black owned business. It's February. It doesn't even matter if it's February. Actually, I support black owned business regardless. I've done this plenty of times on my channel, but I've kind of dialed back, but I'm going to dial back in. So I'm going to be talking about a black owned brand called Flawed and BeYoutiful. See? BeYoutiful. The reason why I really like her products is her story and of course the products which I use today. But also stay to the end because she's actually having a giveaway on her Instagram and win the items that I used on my face today. So keep on watching. So Flawed and BeYoutiful, like I said, is a small black owned business, black woman owned business I might say. And her name is Keisha Smith, and I'm just going to read you her story. So she started Flawed and BeYoutiful in 2016 after overcoming her 15-year journey of sexual assault, childhood molestation, low self-esteem, and insecurity. Flawed and BeYoutiful caters to the everyday women and women who are cancer survivors, domestic violence survivors, sexual abuse survivors, and women who are battling low self-esteem. Along with her story, all of her products and her brand is inspiring. So the palette that I'm using today is called Be Brave, which I think is so cute. The other palette that she has is called Glow Girl. It's all shimmers, and they're not pulling true on camera, so I'll make sure I put pictures, or you can check out her Instagram. She'll have, you know, true pictures on there. A couple examples of the names of her lipsticks, which I will swatch later, is Confident Red, Empower Her, like H-E-R, isn't that so cute? Inspire Her, Encourage Her. You see a trend here? Like, it's so uplifting and positive. I definitely like that. She has pigments as well, which I also use today. And she also has lip glosses, which is inspired by her daughter. She created the line. It's called Pretty Princess line, so she has different lip glosses as well. So
Come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near, whenever you're near. Come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side.
this is the final look, but I don't know if I want this lip to be matte or if it should be shiny. I don't know, because my eyes are already matte. I usually don't do a matte eye and a matte lip, but to me it looks really pretty. Eyeshadow as highlight, because you can do whatever you want. I actually want some more. I use this eyeshadow palette and I use that one. And there we go. So like I said in the beginning, Flawed and BeYoutiful is actually having a giveaway on their Instagram. It's going to be ending, I think, February 9th. So be sure to check that out now and enter now. The giveaway is going to be both US and international. So you got a chance, girl, to go ahead and enter. The winner will be winning the Be Brave palette, which is the one that I used today. The all mattes, perfect for Valentine's Day. And the Empower Her, this lipstick, which I was going to use today. I should have probably. But yeah, it's more of a brownie nude. It's so cute. It'll be perfect for any skin tone in my opinion. I will swatch it later just because these take forever to come off. They're super pigmented and they're going to take me a minute. But yeah, so the winner will win those two items. And before I forget, the color pigment that I used from Flawed and BeYoutiful was Fairy Dust. That's the color I used in my inner tear duct with a little bit of a shadow from this one. I used the middle shadow just to make it, you know, popping, because you know me, I need to have something in my inner tear duct. Although this is not a review, I still want to have my two thoughts on these products and just tell you what I thought of them. This was my first time trying them. So, the Flawed and BeYoutiful Be Brave palettes. When you first look at it, it doesn't look like they're catered to dark skin because, again, they're very bright. But as you start to use them, you're like, wait, this is looking nice. You know what I mean? So, the pink on my lid was the one in the middle. Again, it's not pulling true on camera, but it looks very light in the pan, but as you apply it, it just like transforms into your skin. There's some palettes that does that, and that's actually very good. I always have trouble finding pink shades that work for my skin tone, and I have to say I found the palette. Jackie Aina came close, but she has shimmers in it, and I don't really care for it. But this palette, I will say, these colors work very well for me, and I'll include arm swatches for you guys to see just because I wasn't doing all that in this video, but I liked it. Even though I didn't use this palette necessarily on my eyes, the one shade that I use for my highlight is poppin'. Looks like it'll be beautiful on the eyes too, so it definitely caters to dark skin. So also the lipsticks, they look intimidating in the tube, but as you put them on, you put a liner on, they're good to go. They're fine. Works for me. Pigments, glitter, use them wet or dry. It looks fine to me. There was like literally no fallout, so I actually enjoyed this. It's a loose glitter, but it wasn't messy to work with. It wasn't a hassle when you opened it, so I actually did like this a lot. It didn't irritate my eyes because sometimes glitters like have like a chemical smell to it, or it irritates my tear ducts, but nah. This one was great. I'll leave her website, her Instagram, all that good stuff. Make sure you support. Go over there, enter the giveaway, because I mean you can't go wrong with getting this palette. Okay, I'm gonna try to do swatches. These take forever to come off, so I'm gonna try my best. So the one that I had on just now was called Imperfectly Perfect Nude with a brown lip liner. If they need a lip liner, I will put it on. If it don't, then obviously I won't. So I will put the name of them on the screen, and we're just gonna ride out and do swatches. Her packaging is so cute. Like, I love this packaging. And also, you can use these lipsticks and go out to eat and they'll still be on, because these require oil to remove. Okay? Oil to remove. So I just have to say that. Carry on. This would be so pretty with a purple liner. To pull the purple more. It's looking real pink on camera, but it's more purple in person. Okay, I feel like this is more of a topper to me, or this is for those that love shimmer and glitter in your lipsticks. I wouldn't just wear it straight like that, but... Can't really tell, but it's like iridescent. Yeah, you can't tell. Buy it and then you'll see. Support her business And yes, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.